Today I'll show how to buy shares of THG Plc, the e-commerce and technology group behind beauty and wellness brands, listed on the LSE plc under the ticker THG.L. This is an educational walkthrough and not financial advice. You need a broker to buy shares, and I'll use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you'll verify your account with an ID and add funds before placing an order. Use the platform's search box and type the ticker THG.L to find the company listing. Select the result that matches THG Plc on the London Stock Exchange to open the stock page. On the stock page, check the company overview, sector information, and the price chart for context. Confirm the listing shows THG Plc on LSE plc so you have the correct asset. Tap Invest, enter the amount you wish to buy, review the order details, and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, the order may execute when it reopens, and the platform will prompt you to add funds if your balance is insufficient. Your new position will appear in your portfolio once the order is executed. For the exact steps shown in this video, check the link in the description.